Oh. Crazy.
And the odds are getting the same too.
And the same.
Well, thank you. Okay, we got to round out the girls with Evil Queen now.
Oh.
Welcome back to the Elmore Family Adventure.
Alright. What we got this time is a grab bag of pins.
Yes, well this is from Sharon's outlet shopping, or Sharon's Disney outlet shopping. However, this is her regular park shopping.
Yep, she went to
extra.
the park.
So we got some stuff great for the park.
Yep.
And so exciting.
We got some pins. It's all pins this time. Let's see what all we got.
Do you want to show just the bag itself?
It's the bag. Oh. So we gotta cut open this bag. And Sharon always throws in a little something extra.
Yeah, what do we got this time?
What is this? I don't know what that is. It is
a Dove. Like, smell good spray?
Yeah, that's like smell good spray or something.
Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. Thank you, Sharon. She's
Sharon.
like, I know y'all be needing that.
Look,
I'm going
she
to the
sent
park.
a little thank you, with a little stitch on it. Right, so we have 2 magical chef boxes.
We haven't opened any of these before, so we don't have any.
We have 2 villain boxes.
Same with these. Haven't opened any of these.
We have 4 of these.
I think these are the Wave A Disney mystery pins. Oh, I'm so excited.
We've been opening those.
We've been opening those a lot.
And then we have, what is that?
What is that? Oh, Tiana!
Tiana, Bayou Adventures.
Cute! I didn't see these.
I know, I saw them.
Oh, love that, especially Tiana and Lewis.
And of course, we got a sticker from Sharon.
Yay!
Yay! All right, what are we starting with today?
What do you want to start with?
Let's start with that one doesn't need to
That
start.
we showed you this one.
Yeah.
All characters from the ride.
Let's do magical shelves. You do one, I do one.
Okay.
Magical
Okay, we got to show what she can get. So,
I gotta put my glasses on so I can see.
yeah, as you can see, we've got Rapunzel from Tangled, Donald, what is it,
Stitch,
Kronk,
Humphrey, the bear,
Remy,
Mickey, and Tiana.
Tiana.
All right, I want. What do you want?
I obviously want Tiana and Kronk, I think.
See, and I would like to have Kronk and Humphrey.
Okay.
All right, so let's see what we get. I mean, I'll take any of them. But
right, because we don't have them, so we're
this is the
open.
first time we're getting these. So.
Okay. First one.
Oh, there's 2 of them too.
Yep, 2.
Okay. All right.
Not like a lounge fly.
You need scissors?
I think I got this one.
Okay.
Okay. First reveal. Stitch!
Stitch!
Oh, he's cute.
I like Stitch. I like Stitch. All right, my first one. If I can get it out of here.
And he's making peanut butter and
Ready?
jelly. Yay! Humphrey!
It's Humphrey!
What is he eating?
It looks like kibbles and bits.
Okay. Bear chow.
Bear chow. Nice.
Make sure you
All right, your next
see
one.
that a little bit closer. Okay. All right, this one's my last one. And it is
What? Donald! I like the flapjacks. So
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
that is cute.
All right, my last one.
I have the black stuff on it still.
My last one is
Mickey!
Oh, I love Mickey Mouse.
All right.
That's
Well,
good to go.
we got one on our list, but these
But-
are all really cute.
Yeah, no, I like Mickey and Donald though. You can't go wrong.
You
It's
can't. The
Fab Five.
classics.
Fab Five.
Classics.
Fab Five.
Mickey and Humphrey.
All right, we're gonna do villains next.
Yes. And then Stitch and Donald.
Yeah.
Boy,
All right, villains. Oh, there's a bunch of villains you can get.
Ooh, okay, yeah.
Jafar,
we read 'em all.
Maleficent, the Evil Queen, Hades. Oh, what's the bad guy from Mulan?
What is his name? General. I know he's of the Huns.
The Huns, yeah. Captain Hook. Porter Spectacle. What's it?
Ursula.
And then
Cruella.
Cruella de Vil.
All right. Of all of these, I think I would want Hades and I think Mulan's villain. I don't remember his name, but
I'm pretty sure
he's a pretty rare character.
Aubrey would want Jafar.
Jafar and Captain Hook, probably.
Yeah, Captain Hook would be pretty cool. Cruella's pretty cool too.
Villains.
The Hun.
I just have to defeat the Huns.
I can't. It's sad.
Shan Yu, that's his name.
Shan Yu? Okay.
I think.
All right.
Okay.
You want me to go first
Yeah,
this
you
time?
go first this time.
Okay. Oh, I cut it. I still can't get it out.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Are you ready?
Yep, first one.
First one. Ooh,
Ursula.
Ursula.
Okay.
What? Okay, girl.
Cruella.
Cruella de Vil.
I think that's one of my favorite villain songs,
Cruella
even though she doesn't
de
sing
Vil.
it.
No, he sings it better.
Uh,
She doesn't.
the guy does. Roger?
Yeah, Roger.
Nothing will.
All right, my second one. Because we only got one box piece, but here's my second one.
Maleficent.
Whoa.
That's the big
That's
op
the big
right there.
girl right there. Yeah, Maleficent.
Ooh, okay, now we need how many girls do they have on here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got to round out the girls with Eva Queen now.
Oh, you need Eva Queen to be round the girls up.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, it's Shan Yu.
You got Shan Yu.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, he's so cool with his falcon on top.
Well, he's a girl now.
Yeah, you're part of the girls' crew.
Yeah, I like the falcon on top. It's pretty
Ooh,
cool.
the shine with the green too.
Mm-hmm.
That's really cool.
Did you see what was Ursula's got the electric eels above her?
Yeah. Flotsam and Jetsam.
And then Cruella's got a car. And then Maleficent has the dragon.
These are really cool.
Yeah, these are cool. We'll have to get another box of these.
I really like these. And I don't like the villain stuff all that much, but these are neat.
Yeah, we'll have to get another box of those. Because we need another Hun.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, now we're down to these again.
The big stuff.
We get 2 apiece. I'm picking this
Okay.
one and this one. Okay.
Got it.
All right. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I don't remember what we need for our collection, but
I will know if we have it.
these aren't even wrapped.
Yours aren't?
Uh-uh.
I'll show you your first one.
Oh.
Mine are wrapped.
Yeah, this did not come out wrapped. There was no wrap in it. Donald.
Ooh, Halloween Donald.
Yeah.
We've got that one.
We got that one. So
that's a trader.
That's a trader. Okay. Yeah, they just dropped in my hand
They
with no
said-
wrapping on them. I'm like,
They
what?
said, here you go.
That was crazy. Because generally
Okay.
they're wrapped in this little black stuff like
Yeah,
this.
like this.
But mine just popped right on out.
All right, these are ears. Let's see. Little Mermaid.
Oh.
I don't think we have
I
these.
don't think we have those.
Yeah.
I don't know. We have to look. I don't think we have those at all.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
here's my next one.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Cheshire.
Cheshire.
I know we have
We
Cheshire.
do have Cheshire.
Yep. So,
Trader.
oh, is it like that? Silver like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I know we have Cheshire, so that'll be a trader.
Okay. Castle. We got a castle.
I love castles. Oh, that's a good one there.
Ooh. Oh, it says, oh boy, Mickey. We do not have this one.
Yeah, we don't have
do
that
not have this one.
Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
man.
I'm glad
Okay.
we got that one. Yep.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
And I like these 25-year ones
Me too. Me too. We've seen the new 2026 come out, and some of them are really cool, especially like the anniversary one with like Kita and everything, but I like the 2025 version.
So are yours wrapped?
Yeah.
So crazy. I got another bag. It's
Not wrapped. You
Nope.
picked both of the unwrapped.
Yeah, both of them are unwrapped. It's crazy.
That's
I just reached in
wild.
here to fill the bag and I filled the pin. That's so
wild.
crazy. So crazy. Oh,
You get the same one.
I got
What if
another
you get a
Donald.
Cheshire?
I
If you
got
get a
another
Cheshire,
Donald.
that's crazy.
Yeah. It's like these are the ones they didn't wrap. Oh, so those are traders. All right.
Okay.
I gotta wait till you get yours unwrapped.
Okay, this is another
That's so
castle.
crazy that I didn't get them
is.
wrapped though.
That is.
I don't
okay.
like that. I want mine
Another
wrapped.
castle.
Oh,
Oh, the apples. I think
we got
we
that.
might have the
I
apples.
don't know.
I'm
We'll
not
have
sure.
to look. See,
I'll have to double check.
I don't remember that one, but
Maybe not. Maybe I've seen a bunch of other people get the
I
apples.
don't know. We'll have to see. All right, you ready? Might be Cheshire.
Oh
again.
no.
Yep.
Yes, where? That's so
both
weird.
of these packages with the Halloween Donald and the Cheshire, they were
Both
not wrapped
unwrapped.
inside. That's crazy.
And the odds of getting the same too.
And the same, and I picked the same too.
That is
At least
crazy.
you got different ones.
Okay, and I got another set of ears.
Okay, another set of ears. What we got?
Stitch. I think we have these.
Yeah, so those might be traders.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
That was cool though.
Weird and
That
cool.
was cool. I liked it. I didn't like the fact mine weren't wrapped up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo.
Well, anyway, that's all the pins that we got from there. So
Okay.
thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, Sharon. And of course, if you are interested, check out Sharon's page. These are all her handles.
Yeah. And her little outlet store is closing, but she does do other. She goes to the park. There's some other places she goes, and she posts
something different every week almost.
And I think it's every Monday she posts a picture of where she's shopping at. So
Yes.
so it's awesome. It's nice.
And she's the best at getting, as much as you request.
Yeah, she's
as
been
possible.
doing good for us.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Make sure you comment down below which was your favorite pin pull of this video. Was it one of the Hidden Mickeys, villains, or one of the magical chefs?
Hey,
Let us know.
You need a Donald?
Yeah.
We got
if you want a pin trade, reach out.
Yeah, reach
on
out.
one of our channels on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Blue Sky at Elmore Family Adventures. Reach out there.
Yep.
And until next time,
We'll see y'all later. Bye.